Hey everyone, how's it going? So we have a new product here we want to share with y'all. This is the Cyberbackpack. So for those that have a Cybertruck on order, but you're tired of waiting and you want something in preparation of the Cybertruck, this could be your alternative option for now. And this is the original CB brand Cyberbackpack, Ultimate Backpack. We got the Plus package, which include 3 items: the backpack itself, the new sling, and the power bank. They are selling the actual Ultimate package, which include a suitcase, and we'll be reviewing that in the near future, but that's not yet fully released yet. You can pre-order on the website. So the packaging is very compact, as you see here, minimum waist. It fits and contour to the actual backpack itself. And I would assume the sling will be inside, and also the power bank. So let's get this outside this box. And we'll set this box aside. Alright. So this is what you get when you order the Cyber Backpack or the Cyber Bundle. It does have another covering inside to protect the actual backpack. You see, there's plastic and then there's a CG bag inside. So just to give you a perspective of what to expect when you order the Cyber Backpack. All right, so let's get this plastic out of the way, and this is just a linted cover, so it protects the actual backpack itself. So this will be a close-up view of this backpack. I know a lot of the videos out there, they don't give you a close-up. It's more about a person carrying the backpack, but let's get a close-up view of this. Okay, more protection for this plastic carbonate, or plastic. It's not carbon fiber. It's some sort of plastic, but it feels premium. From the manufacturing video, it looks like underneath is the plastic. Call it plastic, the polymer. Feels like a solid polymer type of plastic, not cheap plastic. More protection in the back. There's the TSA passcode. So that's neat. Very high quality lock mechanism here. And then one good thing about this is you can expand this to make it larger. So if you have more stuff, there's a second zipper here that you can expand this to be twice the size. So you open this up, and how do you expand this? The expansion is on this side. Okay, you actually zip it all the way around, and then it expands bigger. Should be twice the size, so let's go ahead and do that so you see it. All right, let's get this all the way around. You can see how much it expands. So yeah, twice the size. Twice the size. Very neat feature, just like a suitcase. Let's open up this backpack. It's also a zipper. And let's see what's inside. All right, so it has this strap 2 straps on the left and right side. Slot for your laptop, up to 17-18-inch laptop. Slot for your tablet. Couple mesh here for your pens, mouse, accessories. You have a small opening here as well too. This is probably for paperwork, passport, documents you want to protect in here. This is also be a color pencil case. And here's the power bank. It's pretty heavy, about maybe I would say a pound or so. And this is the sling. We'll take a look at the sling later. So this is the backpack itself. It looks very premium. I mean, the material inside feels very nice. So you have another slot here, a zipper for more storage. Lots of storage here. And there's your power bank connection right there. So USB-A to the power bank. You can use really any other power bank. And I've been rubbing this on this wood flooring. Doesn't look like it's causing any damage. Again, this material feels very premium. It's also lightweight too. It's not the heavy plastic that you expect. And here's the opening to charge. Let's open this up. Alright, so this should have USB-A and USB-C. Very cool. But to this plug is USB-A. And that's how it expands. No extra storage in the front here. You should have a zipper back here for a hidden compartment. Not really hidden, but hidden behind the strap for your stroller bag, for your luggage bag. So yeah, you can open this up. Let's see how deep this is. So yeah, it's this whole space. You have this whole space back here for this hidden compartment. So you can put your phone, your passport, documents hidden back there. And the material feels like there's a memory foam inside here. A very thin one. It feels like a memory foam. I don't think it's a memory foam. It's just padded on both sides. It's rougher on this side and softer on the back side. Typical backpack. You do have a lock here for the strap. I never seen that before. So that's new. And you also have a extra strap organizer or clip. You have it on both sides. This is actually very well thought out. And in this strap, there should be another storage. Let's see, where is it? Right here. So you can hide stuff in here, a blade, pencil, pens, whatever you want to put in there. Is there one on this side? No, just on the left side. Okay. All right, and you have a luggage type handle here that expands up. It is plastic, but it has a soft jello-like cushion on the bottom there. It does spring back, so definitely there's a spring inside. Overall, it's a great backpack. So I'll post a link where you can find this. Again, this is from Cyberbackpack.com. Again, this is CB company, and they are fairly new, so check them out. So far, looks good, looks solid. If you're looking for a backpack, this might be a good choice. Catch you all next time, and in the next video, we'll review the sling.